Mallacoota dawns, anglers take their stands, casting lines for bream in the morning's vibrant dance. Dive